Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're staring at your AT&T router blinking green and wondering what's going on, don't worry. We're going to fix it step by step. This issue is pretty common and usually signals a connectivity problem, like interference, a loose cable, or even a firmware glitch. By the end of this video, you'll have your router back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First things first, start with the basics. Check all your cables. Make sure the power cord, Ethernet cables, and any coaxial connections are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a simple wiggle or dust buildup can cause that annoying green blink. Give everything a quick inspection and reconnect if needed. Next, try restarting your router. This is like giving your device a fresh start. Unplug the power cord, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Let it boot up fully, usually takes a minute or two, and see if the light stops blinking. If it's still acting up, we're not done yet. Now, let's check for firmware updates. AT&T routers often need the latest software to work properly. Open a web browser on a connected device. Type in the router's IP address. It's usually 192.168.1.254 for AT&T. Log in with your admin credentials, and look for a firmware update section. If an update is available, download and install it. This could resolve any bugs causing the issue. If that doesn't work, consider a factory reset. But be careful. This will erase your custom settings, so only do this as a last resort. Find the reset button on your router. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash, and then set it up again from scratch. Remember to note down any important settings beforehand. Finally, if none of these steps help, it's time to contact AT&T support. They can check for service outages or hardware problems. Head to their website or give them a call for personalized assistance. There you have it. Simple fixes for your AT&T router's blinking green light. I hope this saved you some frustration. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.